Hello everyone, you are looking at a 2021 Cobalt CS22 new trade. This does include the trailer. Got that awesome gray hull side, white hull bottom with that black boot stripe. Classic look. We'll hop on the top side, take a closer look at this boat. This CS22 is equipped with the flip down swim step. We've also got our tow eye there for skiing and tubing. We also have this really nice sun pad off the back of the boat. I'll flip this up. Now we have a roof facing arrangement. Plenty of seating in this boat. Our capacity is at 11 people or just under 1,600 pounds. Got that bolster seat on the captain's chair. Again, this is a 2021 Cobalt CS22, just under 80 hours on this boat. Glove box, an extra storage here. Plenty of cup holders as well. Equipped with Rockford Fosgate sound system and Garmin touchscreen display. This boat does have active trim control as well on that 6.2 Mark Cruiser, 300 horsepower. We've got in-floor storage right here at the midship. We've got the nice wind block gate as well. Storage under these seats here in the front. The seats just come straight out, revealing storage space. You can check out this boat on our website at MarineMax.com, or you can stop at our Cross Lake location and see this boat for yourself.